Hello នេះគឺកំពុងតែទិញម្នាស់គាត់4អរគុណ Yeah I got the fruit of today អរគុណច្រើនបងអូខ្ញុំឃ្លានមែនតើអ្នកគ្នាខ្ញុំទៅតាហ៊ានចិនចាប់ហើយអត់ទាន់បានហូបអីទេឥឡូវហ្នឹងគឺម៉ោង 10 កន្លះហើយផ្លូវរៀងស្ទះឡានអញ្ចឹងពីសាលាខ្ញុំទៅផ្ទះខ្ញុំគឺកន្លះម៉ោង so ពេលទៅដល់ផ្ទះចាំយើង prepare lunch and breakfast brunch at the same time. Yes.
Hi, boy over Nays here. So I gained about 4 kg for the past 4 weeks. Ever since I moved back to town, I've been ordered takeout so many times. Sometimes one day I ordered twice, which is very unhealthy. The fact that it's too convenient for me and I have zero self-control when it comes to food and junk food. That is why I gained so much weight. For the past 4 or 5 days, I've been eating clean and it motivated me to do this video, what I eat in a day, and just share to you guys what I prepare for myself for my weight loss journey. I want to lose back the 4 extra kg that I gained, and I hope this video inspired you to eat cleaner and less takeout like me. One of the main reasons that I want to lose the extra 4 kg that I gained is also because my mental health has been so sluggish. I don't really move as fast as before. And when it comes to sport, I realized that I've been very slow. And in that moment, I already know that I need to change. And it comes to diet. I need to eat less carb, less sweet, less oily food, and just focus about clean food. That is why meal prepping is quite handy for me as a mom of 2, a businesswoman and a content creator, to always have food in her fridge whenever she's hungry. I know that cutting down carbs, I will get extra hungry, so that is why I meal prep in a smaller portion, and I can eat more than 3 times a day without feeling too full or without feeling too bloated after I eat. Each meal I always have some red meat or some white meat, vegetable that I like, and also fresh crunch vegetable. To make sure that I fill up more on myself, I always prepare a glass of juice or coconut water and some water alongside, so that I know that even though this meal is not that filling, the water liquid will help me to make sure I feel full. Okay, ឥឡូវនេះគឺខ្ញុំមកធ្វើ matcha ញ៉ាំដោយសារតាម៉ោង 2 ជាងហើយ and I'm kind of hungry with just salad for lunch. ចឹងឥឡូវខ្ញុំនឹងមកធ្វើ matcha as a pick me up drink.ឥឡូវគឺដល់ម៉ោងទៅយកអូនម៉ាល់ and then ទៅទិញម្ហូបទាំងអស់គ្នា Thank you.
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំ clean ទៀតហើយឥឡូវម៉ោង4នេះអ្នកគ្នា so I'm gonna eat like plain yogurt ហើយម្នាស់ដែលយើងទិញមកថ្ងៃមិញខ្ញុំឆាប់ដាក់តិច and I'm putting the ហើយបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំញ៉ាំជាមួយនឹង diamond green put one side and then ខ្ញុំដាក់ honey បន្តិច and lastly chia seed and this is our afternoon snack Yummy. So refreshing. I changed because I have pickleball in an hour. So right now I'm going to prepare some dinner for my husband and my kids before I'm off, and also prepare myself a small portion of salad before I go and work out, because I tend to get hungry really fast without eating any carbs at all the whole day, so I need extra food. Soba noodle and tofu go so well together. I don't know why. I'm so full. I don't think I can finish another cup of water. I have an idea. Okay. I'm gonna bring this water to go work out with me anyway, so yeah, I'm not wasting any water.